Auzu billahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum ta'ala wa barakatuh. To our dignitary in the East, which will be introduced later, to the R3 of Pro 9, the person of Police Colonel Muammar Mukarram, and to my DPDO, Police Lieutenant Colonel Chris Conrad Gutierrez, and other officers present here today, PNCOs, NUPs, and the members of the media. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Our honoree is a highly accomplished and respected leader in the Philippine National Police. Born on May 30, 1970, in San Carlos City, Pangasinan. He is a proud member of the PNP Patnubay class of 1995, where he served as an editor-in-chief of the Philippine National Police Academy, school paper from 1993 to 1995. He further strengthened his academic and professional foundation by earning a Bachelor of Laws, graduating magna cum laude with a degree in AV Political Science and completing a Master in Business Administration. With more than 3 decades of honorable service, since 1993, he has held some of the most critical and sensitive positions in the PNP, consistently demonstrating exemplary competence in operations, intelligence, investigation, and administration, also leadership. His distinguished career includes serving as Director of the PNP Drug Enforcement Group, Director of the Information Technology Management Service, Deputy Director of the Training Service, Deputy Regional Director for Operations, and Chief of Regional Staff of Pro Calabarzon, Provincial Director of Batangas PPO, Regional Chief of CIDG Region 1, 3, and 4B, Chief of Intelligence and Investigation under CIDG Pro 9, at the Sulu Anti-Kidnapping Task Force, and Chief of Police of several major municipalities in Bulacan. His outstanding leadership has earned his numerous major distinctions, including being recognized as a Metrobank Foundation Outstanding Filipino Awardee in 2019, one of the highest honors for public servants. Under his command, the Batangas PPO was awarded Best Provincial Police Office in 2018, and he was named Best Regional Chief of CIDG in 2017. Earlier milestones include being honored as Most Outstanding Chief of Police, serving the lead PNP Award, and leading the multiple best police stations in Bulacan. His expertise has also taken him to international training and conferences in Australia, Indonesia, Canada, Switzerland, Thailand, and the United States, further furthering his knowledge in global policy and interagency coordination. Beyond his many professionalism, he is a devoted family man, happily married to Mrs. Marcel Ilomio Quilates, and a loving father to their children, Chloe Alessandra and Andre Maximus, who remain his greatest sources of inspiration and strength. A lawyer, a scholar, a strategist, a dedicated public servant, and a loving family man, he embodies the highest ideals of leadership, professionalism, and service to the Filipino people. Ladies and gentlemen, the 40th Regional Police Regional Office 9, currently serving as Acting Director, Police Brigadier General Edwin Aguilan Quilates, sir.
Thank you, Jem, please take this. Thank you, Colonel Jeff Briones Oy, for that very kind introduction. Alam mo, attend ako ng workshop at mag-focus. So, anyway, I'm glad to be back. I was here in 2014 and 15 as the Chief Intelligence and Investigation of the Sulu Anti-Kidnapping Task Force. I was able to visit all the police stations here. Kung sinabi mo kaya ganito, pakita ko yung pictures ng mga hepe noon dito. Up to Shasi, Panglimatahin, Loob. Yung heart-shaped na ilog nyo dyan, napunta ko yan. All stations here, nabisita ko. So, to our athlete, Muar Bukaram, and to the Deputy Provincial Director of Operations, si Chris Conrad Gutierrez, hindi na umalis dito. Nadatan ko na to, nandito pa rin hanggang ngayon. Yung pala, marami nang minamahal dito ngayon. Nasaan ang DPDA mo? Ganun ba? So your S1, Major Edwin Sapa. Your S2, Lieutenant Colonel Francis Briones. Your S3, Major Mario Regidor. Lieutenant Colonel Abubakar Ibno, your S5. Nasa S4 mo? Okay. Kasi Captain Esri, sino ang finance mo? Major Salam, Akalab. S7, Major Malon Lau. PIO and Technology Management Unit, Captain Yazir Sabdani. Wala dito. And the rest of the officers here. Initially, I want to thank you for the very warm welcome for your honor show kanina. And to all you, the men, ilan ang nagtao dito? The provincial wide. 1,087 strong men and women of Sulu PPO. So I hope you have the Chief of Police particularly. I have given my guidance, the directions of the PRO 9 for the rest of the months until next year. So I expect that you understood all the policies, guidance, directions, mandates, targets that I have mentioned yesterday. But to the men and women of Sulu, I know the problems here. I was here, as I have said, in 2014 and 15. Now, a lot have changed. Physically, sa kampong to, nasaan po yung tatlong classroom dati? May tatlong classroom. Ito ba yun?
Wala pa yun.
Well, we conducted intelligence basic course and investigation courses funded by then Governor. Ito na. So, giniba na yung dati.
Wala pa 2015.
So I know I have so many friends here. I have experienced the ups and downs of Sulu before. So I understand the situation here. I am very glad that a lot have changed for the better. It is quite more peaceful today 10 years ago noon magulo eh. I was here when the bird watchers, the couple, yung galing sa Batarasa, kidnap. So ilan yung hawak doon ng Abu Sayyaf din? The negotiation, the payoff of ransom, 250 million, I was here. I was here when the Anak Ilo, Ajang-Ajang, were having their good times then. So balita ko, wala na sila. A lot of them has surrendered and a lot of them has returned to the fold of law. But there are still some problems. Some areas where personal grudges, yung tinatawag nating rido, and other minor conflicts. I urge each and every one of you to maintain this current situation and make it better year after year. Now, the only way to do this is to enforce the law without fear or favor, or avail of the conflict resolutions available at hand, guided by the principles of fairness, of justice, and of respect. Remember that justice or peace without justice is no peace. So I urge every chief of police, particularly the investigators, to investigate properly all the incidents here, enforce the law, file the cases, respecting each other's rights, both the complainants and the accused. Peace without justice is no peace. So let us enforce the law to the fullest extent. PD, you dialogue with your prosecutors. Ilan ba ang korte dito? And the judges. Kaibigan ko siya sa Alpan. Even in Manila, nakikita kami niya. So, yun lang. Pakiusapan natin yung mga LGU chief dito, including our governor and the vice governor, are other concerned stakeholders. I may suggest that mayroon kayong council of elders dito. Yeah. If we can organize a council of elders, yung mga imam, yung mga dato, yung mga malalaking pamilya, together with the chief executives, the courts, and the prosecutors. Of course, yung... May OPAP ba dito? Yes. So let us collaborate. Maintain the peace and make it even better year after year. I know na ini-invite na ng LGU dito ni Gov, yung mga turista. So may mga turista na dito. Napapanood na din sa YouTube, open na yung mga beaches dito. May mga turista na dumadala. So mas maganda, pag dumami ang economic activities, gaganda ang buhay ng mga pamilya natin, mga communities. At yung mga kabataan ay hindi na ma-i-influensyahan ng various extremist ideologies or others violent extremism. Pagtulungan natin, pagtsagaan natin, let us make certain sacrifices to achieve peace. Because the road to peace is really a rough and rugged road. So everybody should contribute. Everybody should be part of the solution. That's the only way that we can achieve a lasting peace for Lupasog, ang lupang pangako, ang probinsya ng Sulu. So mabuhay ang Sulu PPO, mabuhay ang ating mga tauhan dito. I hope that this peace, year after year, 10 years, 20 years from now, will be even more peaceful, progressive, and one with the direction of the national government. Because ano natin? Unity in diversity. That is the theme of PRO9, unity in the diversity. Because united we stand, divided. Magsukol, sukran, mabuhay ang sulupito. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Police Brigadier General Edwin A. Quilates, Acting Regional Director, PR9, for the guidance and for the enlightening message. Thank you, and please be seated. As a gesture of our sincere gratitude to our esteemed guest, a token armamento will now be presented to him. And to present the token armamento, may we call Police Colonel Jeff Briones Uy.